flashing check engine light. This is a 98 Civic. And actually at like 2,000 RPMs, you actually start to feel a hesitation. I believe it is the EGR ports, but I'm not sure. Tech did already replace the EGR valve, but didn't fix it. Kind of figured it wouldn't. But I'll have them check the ports. As you can see, it'll start to skip and sputter at 2,000 or a little below. Anyways, I'll check it out and I'll let you guys know. Thanks. Alright, so you see this EGR port right here, and you got one right here, here, and on the other side over here. These two end ones are clogged right there, and that's what's causing. You can see the fuel is puddling up inside the EGR plate. That's the EGR plate. You can see we're just going to clean this all up, poke some holes down on the EGR ports, and that skip should go away. And the middle light should stop flashing as well. So what we do is we took a small drill bit and stuck it into each one of the ports and twisted it by hand, cleaned out all the carbon. What that does is it draws the carbon out by the motion of the drill bit. Then put it all back together, road tested it, check engine light stopped flashing, and the hesitation was gone. If you like what you see here, please subscribe. If you need more information on other problems with your car, please visit simplecaranswers.com. Take care. See ya!